Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Steam app on your computer step by step, so even if you've never done it before, you can follow along easily. Steam is one of the most popular gaming platforms out there, and once you have it installed, you can browse games, download titles, manage your library, and access community features all in one place. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is open your browser and go to the official Steam download page. You want to make sure you're downloading Steam from the real website so you avoid fake installers or unsafe downloads. Once the page loads, look for the green Install Steam button in the top right corner and click it. This will take you to the main download area for the Steam installer. On the next page, you'll see a blue button in the center that says Install Steam. Click that button and the Steam setup file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser and internet speed, this may take just a few seconds. While you wait, make sure the download completes fully before opening it, because opening an incomplete file can cause errors. Once the download finishes, open the file from the bottom of your browser if it appears there, or go to your Downloads folder and double-click the SteamSetup.exe file. This launches the Steam installation wizard. If your computer asks for permission to run the file, click Yes to continue. That's completely normal for software installers. Now, the Steam setup window will appear. From here, follow the prompts carefully. Click Next, then Next again, and then click Install. The installer will begin copying the needed files onto your computer. During this step, just give it a moment to finish. Installation speed can vary depending on your system, but usually it only takes a short time. After the installation is complete, click Finish. In many cases, Steam will open automatically right after that. When it launches for the first time, Steam may update itself. Let that update finish because it's part of the normal setup process and helps make sure you're on the latest version. Once Steam opens fully, you'll see the sign-in screen. If you already have a Steam account, just log in with your existing details. If you're new to Steam, look for the Create a Free Account option at the bottom and follow the sign-up process. This is how you set up your account so you can start using the app, downloading games, and managing your profile. And that's it. Steam is now installed and ready to use. From here, you can explore the store, install games, and get started with everything Steam has to offer. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and beginner-friendly tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.